Hey there, students. Mr. Wolf here. And the first thing I wanted to do in our final reflection here is just congratulate you. What you guys have really done is monumental. You guys have navigated a completely new learning system and a completely new learning environment and have adjusted. And I know it's been tough, and I know some of you guys are still kind of tweaking. I know I am. I'll be honest with you there. But it's no small task, okay? I mean, nobody asked for this, I know. And I really appreciate all the efforts you guys have made and all the communications you've had to help make it work and help give us feedback to help accommodate you guys as best we can. So thank you also for going through this presentation, doing the flip grids, the reflection form, and and committing to change. I know that change is tough, and it's one of those things where um, we're so used to doing things a certain way. I know I am, that it's sometimes hard to shift your mindset and say, okay, I can't do things the same way right now. So I really do appreciate you guys taking some time to do that. And on that final note, there's that quote there that says, nothing changes if nothing changes. And something implied in that, I think, really is that we are the way things change. I think a lot of us prefer to have the world change for us. But that doesn't happen unless we ultimately make changes, and that goes down to relationships. That goes down to your success. If I keep doing the same thing over and over again, I'm going to get the same results, right? Um, so here we are, looking into the next unit. We kind of have a fresh start at the end of the first quarter. I think a lot of us have smoothed out a lot of the wrinkles. So this next unit is a great opportunity to kind of hit the ground running and start fresh. Start with hopefully a super positive attitude about, hey, I can do this. I know what it looks like now. We're in this for the long haul. So thank you for that dedication. You always know where to find me, though, if you need help. So whatever that I will statement you had, I'm really asking that you kind of you commit to that and that you work on that. And whether that's getting out of bed on time, whether that's making sure you're keeping to a schedule, or communicating with your teachers when you know you need help, or asking your learning coaches what needs to happen, whatever that might be. I just ask that you commit to that, and you do your best to work on that. I will say that I know building a habit takes a long time, and there are stumbles through that process, but it takes ultimately that commitment of, I'm gonna try and make this work. We all can come out even better on the backside of this situation, with the virtual learning into next year, even better than we would have if we were in a standard class, really, honestly, when it comes to our work habits, our self-discipline, our accountabilities, all those types of things that can ultimately amount to greater success. So thank you for dedicating yourselves to that, and we will continue chipping away at it. I hope you guys are able to enjoy your 3-day weekend, get those independent readings, and we will start next week hitting the ground running with that, okay? Thank you guys for watching, and have a great one. Bye.